Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, The Good Life. My name is Manjeet Aujla and today we're going to talk about IELTS speaking. Yes, if you're taking the IELTS examination and need some IELTS speaking tips, here are 10 points to keep in mind for improving your grades. Number 1, speaking speed. Speaking too quickly is not a good idea for the IELTS exam. Make sure that you're speaking at a regular speed, like you would try to do for a job interview. If your English is incorrect, you will sound unnatural and likely make errors more regularly than if you are measured and focused. Number 2, speak only in English. Be careful not to say something from your own language, which some Arabic candidates do, like yani, which means something like you can say, a teacher can help to alert you if you're making these types of mistake without noticing. Number 3, ask. If you do not understand the question, ask the examiner so that you can ensure you are answering it correctly instead of something that is not appropriate. Number 4, prepare your answers. For section 1, you can think about your answer to some of the typical questions such as where you work. Think about some examples you can give about topics you are more confident with. For instance, if you are more confident and experienced when speaking about football, then think about the types of vocabulary you use if needing to speak about the favorite hobby or sports. Number 5 is pronunciation. Ensure that your pronunciation is sufficiently clear. While the examiner will not expect you to sound like a native speaker, if your pronunciation styles make it difficult to understand what you are saying, this is likely to reduce your grades. Ensure that you read the band description for this and other areas. Number 6 is vocabulary. Try to have a reasonably variety of vocabulary. According to the grades you are seeking, think about different ways you could answer sentences such as personally speaking, I have often believed, and etc. Number 7 is grammar. Pay attention to grammar so that you are not making numerous small mistakes. It is theoretically possible to get a fairly low grade even though the examiner essentially understood everything you have said. This is clearly different from a work scenario where intelligently is often key between colleagues, while complete accuracy can be a secondary in importance. Number 8 is fluency. Try to avoid hesitating and try to link sentences together with linking words or phrases. For the section 2nd, try to make up 15 bullet points which you may require a lot of practice, so that when you are speaking you can focus on English rather than having to think upon more of data. Number 9 is practice, which is very important. Try to practice regularly so that you can train your mind and your vocal muscles to use English efficiently and effectively. Just like learning a sports, the more you practice it, the better you likely do it. Last but not the least, number 10, which is focus. The IELTS speaking exam is only approximately 11 to 14 minutes. So consider it more like a short race rather than more of a longer one, like the reading and writing section. Try to stay alert and focused for this more of a sprint type activity. We hope that these IELTS speaking tips have been helpful to you. If you prepare well and present well, you will ace it. Best of luck for your future. For personal guidance, you can contact me on my number given in description link. If you really find the information useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, which is The Good Life. Thank you for watching.